Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can incorporate the Data Analysis Toolpak to your Excel files. I'm currently in the Data menu, as you can see on the top of the screen, of the Excel file itself, and on the right hand side Data Analysis Toolpak should appear. It's not the case currently because I haven't uploaded it yet. To upload the Toolpak, you can go to the Files menu, scroll down to More, where more options will be offered to you. The Toolpak itself is an add-in. So we'll select Add-ins and then Go. As you can see, options are there for you to choose from. Analysis Toolpak is the one that we're going to be selecting. It's not necessary to choose the VBA version of the Toolpak itself. And you can click OK. Still in the Data menu, now you'll see on the right hand side that the Data Analysis Toolpak is available and ready to be used. You can double click on Data Analysis and take a peek at all of the different functionalities that it has. Of course, the names may not be quite relevant to you right now, but these are all things that we'll be discussing throughout the semester. And there you have it, your Analysis Toolpak is ready.